disconnected, so we'll go on the record. This is Van Til versus Van Til, file number 1717089. The record should reflect that both parties are connected by Zoom. This is set for a motion today. Mr. Van Til, you filed a motion to cease spousal support, and your motion is based on the fact that Ms. Van Til remarried at the end of 2024. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Van Til, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Are you contesting the discontinuation of the spousal support?
To an extent, I feel that I was pretty generous back in 2021 when I let him off on over $12,000 in arrearages at the time. I'm willing to drop down to $500 a month for, let's say, another 3 years.
Okay. Mr. Van Til, what's your position on that?
No, I disagree.
Okay.
I disagree.
All right. Well, you know, here's the thing. I reviewed the original judgment of divorce, and it does allow for the court to modify spousal support based on a change in circumstances. Ms. Van Til, and frankly, I'm surprised it doesn't contain the language that if you remarry. Typically, once a party remarries, I mean, that's a change in circumstances that warrants the cessation of payment of spousal support. And the whole idea of spousal support is that you don't have the assistance of your marital partner anymore to support you. And when you get remarried, that's no longer the case. So it really, to me, the only fact here that would be a potential issue is whether or not you were actually married or remarried, I should say. And it sounds like that's not a fact that's in dispute. So for that reason, the court finds that the spousal support should cease. And so, Mr. Van Til, you need to file something with the court that indicates that the court is granting your motion. You can use a form like you used to file your motion in this case, okay?
Okay.
But that's an important step for you to follow up on, because until I sign that order, I mean, that's what actually stops your obligation for spousal support. So it's important that you submit that as soon as possible to the clerk's office here in Gaylord.
Okay, so it's the form just like the one I sent for this hearing.
Yeah, well, you can find the form in the same place. It's going to be just a blank order. And you're going to fill in there that the court is granting your motion and spousal support will stop as of February 3rd, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Van Til, did you have any questions about that?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you. That's all for this hearing today. Both parties are free to disconnect at this time.
Thank you.